What is this magic? I need that magic.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Zivis and I'm back with another video. If you've not yet subscribed, make sure you click the subscribe button and I'll see you guys soon. The first thing about having a glowy look is preparing your face for whatever product you're going to be putting on. So you're going to be prepping, you're going to be hydrating, and you're going to be highlighting before you put your foundation on your face. So those are the steps, okay, for a glowy face or for a glowy foundation routine. Okay, so the first thing is using lightweight products and very hydrating products. It's just going to leave your face very glowy, and it's going to look it's going to give you that glowy look. So the first thing I'm going to use is my Cetaphil moisturizer plus my makeup fixer or moisturizing water. I'm going to use these two things first. Then I'll go ahead and spray my moisturizing water. Seal up all of that with my Ezekiel primer.
Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant.
I'm going to use this NYX Illuminator. Probably use my foundation brush.
It hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
Okay, I don't know if you guys can really see, but my face is literally glowing right now. Okay, here we go. I'm going to hydrate with my Glow Mist from TM Essentials. Spray just a little onto my face. Okay, my face is moisturized and it's also glowing. So for this routine, I'm going to be using my Super Stay foundation in 3. Oh my god, you guys, are you guys seeing? 338. Yes, we got it. 338. I'm not going to be using a matte foundation because a matte foundation is just going to cover up all the moisture, all the hydrating, and all the glow. But this is a lightweight foundation, so you want to use a lightweight foundation. And I can say this is also a hydrating foundation. It's not matte. Okay.
Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
To give it the perfect blend, I'll be using my beauty blender. concealer in coffee.
Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I? Why do I, baby, why do I?
So I'm contouring with my foundation brush to reduce or to lighten up my contour a little bit, okay, using the foundation that I already had on my foundation brush. I'll be using my VBT foundation in V Sand. I'm just using that very lightly because I don't want any build up.
Say on me, but these feels they come and go, and they come so easily.
Using the LNC powder. I'm going to press that.
But you're breaking down the walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me?
I'm going to contour from my Ezekiel palette. I'm going to use this shade and this shade. Zaran powder sets the rest of my face.
Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I?
My eyebrows, I feel like this glowy looks just need very soft eyebrows, nothing too serious, okay? I'm going to use my Debbie Loster waterproof brow gel and I'll brush my eyebrows with it first.
Why do I, baby, why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the
Then I'm going to my powder brush and pat on them, just patting. Do that very lightly. Alright, exclusive concealer.
messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels they come and go, and they come so easily.
For eyeshadow, I'll be using my exclusive concealer, and I'm just going to place that all over my eyelid. Then I'm going to blend that in with my blending brush.
Love the touch but never love the feeling. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you are, we always.
Then I'm going to use this peach-like shimmery color from this eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to place that onto where I have my main color, and I'm going to use this gold shimmery color as well, and I'm going to mix those two colors together. Then to blend in everything, I'm going to use this light orange or light brown shade and my eyeshadow fluffy brush, and I'm just going to blend that into my crease and onto the contour area of my eyes, and that's it for the eye look. So I'll go ahead and apply my blush and a little bit of bronzer on my face because I didn't want so much glow because my face was already glowing. I'm going to highlight my brow bone area as well, my nose, and then for my lips I'll be using this brown, well, this light brown shade from Kiss Beauty. I'm going to leave the shade name down below, and then I'm going to blend that with a nude glossy lippy. So at first it really looked funny, like it was very funny. So I went ahead to fix that by blending with my M&M gloss, and then I went into my brown pencil to line my lips to darken that light brown shade, because when it blended with the nude lippy it turned to pink. Okay, so I went into my pencil to darken it up. Then I'll go into my Iman Clear gloss and I'll just place that onto my lips and blend everything together. Then I'll go ahead and spray my face with my moisturizing water. And then that's it for this video, guys, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, let me know in the comment section down below, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.
Baby, shake it, oh yeah, jerk it, make it nasty. Shawty claiming that you gon'